Hello everyone! In today's video, I will be showing you how I refilled my lash extensions at home. There's going to be a lot of information you don't want to miss, so please stick around. Have you ever studied about the lash cycle? And did you know that there are 3 phases that our eyelash goes through? Well, the first phase is called the anagen phase. The duration time is about 4 weeks, and this stage, your eyelash starts to renew itself and your hair grows to its full length. The catechin duration time is 1 or 2 weeks. This is where your growth has stopped and it has grown at least half its length. The hair root begins its work by contracting and arching itself into your eyelid. The last phase is called the telogen phase, with a duration time of 6 weeks. This is where your hair roots starts to regenerate and a new eyelash grows up. The new eyelash repels the old eyelash, forcing it to be shed. In this phase, attaching false lashes is not possible. Now that we have a brief understanding of the lash cycle, I'm going to take this mascara wand and brush out my lashes. This will allow me to visually see what lashes needs to be refilled. I'm going to use this lash shampoo by BH Lash. This is going to allow me to remove any dirt and oils on my natural lashes as well as my current lash extensions. If you did not know, store-bought makeup remover may contain certain ingredients that can actually weaken the bond of your eyelash extension, and this can cause them to shed prematurely. What I really enjoy about this lash shampoo is that it is lightweight and it has this beautiful citrus scent that is not overpowering, and on top of that, it keeps your eyelid and your lashes healthy and clean. As you guys can see here, I am using the brush in a circular motion to ensure I get between my lash extension. This is going to help me avoid any possible contamination on my eyelash extension. After rinsing my eyelashes, I am going to use this dry clean towel to dry off my lashes using light pressure. After cleaning your lashes, I highly recommend to use a mascara wand to brush out your lashes. This is going to help you remove any loose lashes as well as help maintain a clean and neat look. Every once in a while, I also like to use a few drops of eye drops. This is going to help me relieve dryness and irritation and help me promote comfort. Today I will be using a pointed tweezer and a curved tweezer. These tools are going to help me stay precise and help me apply the individual lashes onto my natural lashes. The eyelash extensions that I will be using today are from VEyes. These are the premium eyelash extension. They are a mixed tray of 8mm through 16mm. However, in today's video, I will only be using 12mm. These are a level CC curls and the thickness are 0.15 mix, and they are flat base and not round. If you did not know, mink lashes are round base where flat lashes are oval shaped base. A flat base means a wider and larger surface area. This will help your lash extension bond more efficiently with your natural lashes. The glue that I will be using today is from VEyes. I really enjoy this glue because it has low fume and the drying time is 1 to 2 seconds and the retention time should be up to 8 weeks. And I decided to go with black adhesive because visually I enjoy compact lash extensions. To make these easier for me, I removed the strip and applied it onto my hand. Again, I am only using the 12mm in length. I'm also going to take the mascara wand and brush out the individual lashes. This will help make sure that they are not stuck onto each other. Depending on how comfortable you are, I decided to use the lash glue ring because this will help me eliminate the need to move side to side, and this will help reduce the time the lash is exposed to the air. I am also going to use an adhesive tape because this is going to give me a better visual of my natural lashes. I would like to accomplish a hybrid set. A hybrid set is a mix of classic lashes and volume lashes together. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and take 2 to 3 individual lashes and pinch the base of the lashes to create a fan. Once this is done, I will apply it to the glue and then apply it onto my natural lashes. The next step is to continue applying the fans onto your natural lashes. I decided to create narrow fans because they have a longer stem that allows a larger bonding area for the lashes. The narrow fans provide a better retention to the lash extension as well. What I also like to do is remove the tape and place it on the center of my eyelid, pulling it towards the inner corner of my eyes. This also helped me give myself a better visual of my outer lashes. Now that I am done refilling my lash extension, after 48 hours I will apply this BL Black Diamond Eyelash Extension Cooling Sealant. This is going to prevent elements that could break down the lash glue. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys liked this video and learned a lot just like I did. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. And if you have any questions or concerns, please comment down below and I will be sure to answer every single one of them. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!